Students, welcome in chemistry session. Here in discuss the part of this is the biomolecules. One of the terms in the biomolecule, this is the enantiomer. What is the enantiomer? The basic of enantiomer, we know that this is if we are having this isomer, the first of all the isomer concept is coming from the stereochemistry. This isomer having the two types of isomer, that is nothing but first one is a this is the constitutional isomer, as you can say. This is the structural isomer, and what like this is next one is stereo isomer. So what is the structural isomer? We can say this is nothing but chain isomer, position isomer, function isomer, metamerism, tautomerism. Here in we are discussing this is the stereo isomer. The next part is the stereo isomer, geometrical isomer, and what a optical isomer. So the concept, this is the optical isomer. We know this is the source of light is passed through Nicol prism. The source of light is passed through the Nicol prism, and whatever this is the plane porous, this is the single line. You can this is the nothing but pass in the Nicol prism. Then what happen? There is formation of the single line. The single line is nothing but a plane polarized light. So this PPL, this plane polarized light is passed through the organic solvent. This organic solvent which obtain this in water. There is a result is obtained. It is order. If the result is obtained, the right hand side and left hand side, this is the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. It is nothing but dextro-rotatory, and this is nothing but leo-rotatory. So this is happening due to the presence of this is the chemical, or this is nothing but solvent, and this is nothing but molecule. That molecule is nothing but a chiral molecule. This chiral molecule is nothing but asymmetric molecule. It should be asymmetric molecule. It should be the chiral molecule. Then the molecule is shown. This is the rotation and the rays is obtained. This is the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction is rays nothing but a dextro-rotatory. Anti-clockwise direction is the leo-rotatory. This one is the 50% and this one is 50%. 50% dextro and 50% leo. So that is nothing but formation of the racemic mixture, and then this types of the molecule is nothing but optically active, and this optically active concept is arises from this nothing but the isomer. The enantiomer, the concept in enantiomer, that is what is the non-superimposable mirror. So this is what a non-superimposable mirror images, as you can say, non-superimposable mirror images, that is shows this is the what a enantiomerism. If we are having this is the molecule, this is nothing but a CHO, this chiral atom molecule is present. This is nothing but what is CH3 atoms, and we are looking these types of the molecule. This is hydroxy position at the right hand side. This hydroxy position at the right hand side, this is concept of dextro-rotatory. If this molecule is just looking in, this is the mirror image. This look like to the hydroxy position at the left hand side. This hydroxy position at left hand side, this is nothing but a capital EL. This capital EL D and capital EL, this is nothing but a dextro and leo concept. This dextro and leo concept, this is the arises in the optical isomerism. This optical isomer is having the dextro-rotatory and the leo-rotatory. So dextro and leo, relative configuration and absolute configuration. Relative configuration and absolute configuration. There is formation of the dextro rotation and the leo rotation. And what is the relation between these two molecules? Dextro rotation, leo rotation. Both molecule is दो molecule का relation क्या होता है? This is nothing but a enantiomer. We can say this is a non-superimposable mirror images, and this is nothing but enantiomer. So not only these types of the molecule is the glyceraldehyde. We can say this is the D-glyceraldehyde and the L-glyceraldehyde. What I can say, glyceraldehyde. इस मॉलिक्यूल का नाम है ग्लिसराल्डिहाइड. दिस ग्लिसराल्डिहाइड, not only the glyceraldehyde, but also we can say this is the glucose molecule. So if we are having this glucose molecule which contain this aldehyde group, and this is the 4-hydroxy as a secondary alcohol, and one is the primary alcohol. That is the concept in nothing but a hydroxy group and left hand side. ये hydroxy group राइट हैंड साइड पे होता है. यहाँ का हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप जब राइट हैंड साइड पे होता है, इसको डी ग्लूकोज कहते हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है तो उसको एल ग्लूकोज कहेंगे. द डी ग्लूकोज एंड एन ग्लूकोज, द रिलेशन अगेन order non-superimposable. We can say this is the enantiomerism. So the enantiomer this concept, it is in the D-glyceraldehyde, L-glyceraldehyde, non-superimposable, and this is the enantiomer. It is most important point is that whenever these types of the molecule is the R configuration, इस molecule का configuration R है. We are talking this is absolute configuration, R configuration. This is the L configuration. इसका R configuration है, इसका L configuration यहाँ का R configuration है और इसका S configuration है. So the relation in what R to S और S to R, this is nothing but enantiomer to each other. तो वो दो मॉलिक्यूल क्या होते हैं? enantiomer मॉलिक्यूल होते हैं. So this is the concept. We can say this is enantiomer in what a carbohydrate. As you can say this is the monosaccharide. So the molecule in the what glucose as well can say this what a glyceraldehyde. तो यहाँ पे हमारा concept enantiomer in carbohydrate में complete होता है. So the concept is depend upon what a chiral center. The molecule must be chiral atom. As we can say the asymmetric atom, non-superimposable, mirror images, and that is not enantiomer. So the best proof or best evidence as on the basis of R2S, S to R. This is what absolute configuration. So यहाँ पे हमारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में enantiomer का concept, glyceraldehyde as one of the example, as well as D glucose and L glucose